In appreciation of the support from both our new and existing distributors for XL Electric throughout 2025, we are launching 2 special offer electric motorcycles. With a range of 80 to 90 kilometers, this promotion will run until January 18, 2026, Chinese Lunar New Year. This is the first one, with a simple appearance and strong power. This is the second one, as its name suggests. It has a domineering appearance and power like a wolf warrior.
XL Electric. From China's electric motorcycle capital. Sincerely seeking distributors in Africa and Russia.